Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this Footwear Pop It Cake. Super colourful and vibrant. Start with some melted white chocolate and red food colour. Then repeat the same with purple, orange, yellow, green and blue. Pop those into piping bags and pipe onto each row of a heart poppet, starting with the blue, then the purple, red, orange, green and yellow. You can do them in any order. Just give it a tap to fill any spaces and then refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, get a chocolate cake and a paper cutout of a shoe. Place it on top and cut around. Remove the excess cake. Now let's add some white buttercream and stick on a second layer of cake. Then finally coat the entire thing in white buttercream. Then just smooth it out. Brilliant. Refrigerate that for 10 minutes and your set chocolate is ready. Tip it upside down on some card and carefully peel away the heart poppet. Then just place your colourful chocolate pieces on top of the cake. Perfect. Around the edges too, matching up the colours. And lastly, get some black fondant for the Y-shaped strap of your flip-flop. And there you have it. Fantastically colourful Footwear Pop It Cake. A chocolate delight to behold. Enjoy!